Alrighty, what's going on everybody? Jared here. Welcome back to Fire Alarm Test number 17. Please excuse for it being very, very dark in here, and the loud and obnoxious fan here. We're currently under, extreme heat warnings and stuff like that. I don't know how you guys understand this in my house. Basically the garage is right below me, and it's usually 10-15 degrees colder down there. So you don't know how air works. Cold air travel downwards, and then hot air travel upwards. So it is very, very warm in my room right now. So we have the 4903 9219, but we also have 4903 9303 Smart Sync speaker strobe. Now, I have a little story to tell you about this. This wasn't exactly what I was looking for. Yeah. This isn't exactly what I was looking for. I was gonna get a 9236 to go with the EHS system, but I ran across this, and looked at the price comparison to the 9236 to this. Now, price comparison is about $10 to $15 cheaper, so I went with this. Unknowingly, this was a Smart Sync device, and I hate Smart Sync devices. Let me go over the features with this. For you that have not seen this, this is a Smart Sync speaker strobe, fixed 30 candela strobe, and I'll turn the back to it for you. And I already started attempting to wire this up. That's one thing I don't like about speaker strobes. So you might be thinking what the heck kind of wire this is. Well, this kind of wire is what you see on your headsets or something like that. So if I were to... Jesus. So this is your jack that you would plug into your phone or something like that, and then the audio would feed into the speaker strobe. So that's how I kind of want my speaker to be set up. I want to connect this to a phone and just like run this to music, if you know what I mean. Pretty much kind of like the way I have it set up here. You know, here's an auxiliary cord that you plug into your phone, plug into your radio, and then it will play music from your phone. I'm just gonna leave it like that. So, what I'm also gonna need is a Simplex Smart Sync module. And I'm also gonna need an amplifier. So yeah, I really put myself in a really bad position after getting this device. So, I'm not saying, excuse me, I'm not saying you, the viewers, have to get me something, but if you could be curious, or courteous enough to, like, send me links or send me, like, info or stuff that I can use to power this up, because I like to try to power this up myself, unlike powering that, to which I took it to someone and had it powered up. I would like to try to power this up, and so far this seems a nightmare. Another thing is that, if I go onto Instagram here, yes, I'm on Instagram. If you don't know if I have Instagram, yes, I do. So, this is a bell, that I've been looking at. This is actually, believe it or not, a bell from the EHS system, mounted outside. Now, I think this is a Simplex 4080 bell, but if anybody in the video can confirm that is the right type of bell, thumbs up. So please, If anyone has any information about whether this is a 4080 or has any details on how they can help me set that up, that would be great. So give me a few minutes. I am gonna go turn this on, and yeah, we'll get ready to go. Alright, so we're all powered up and ready to go. So are you ready? Cause I'm ready. In 3, oops, I don't know why I keep doing that. That's not a light switch. So that's a light switch. In 3, 2, in 3, 2, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I do not know why the phone is not picking up the strobe as much. You know what? I want to see something. Does this thing work? No, it doesn't. Huh. That doesn't work. Alright, you know what? I think we will go outside. Oh, God, it's so hot out here. We got a golf ball right over here. There's the 9219. And yeah, they're still building that massive, it's an air product. It's like a massive building they're building over there. That's been going on for months now, and it's really, really annoying. That's all I hear all day. Doom, doom, doom. It's very, very annoying. And for those who haven't seen it, we put this up a few months ago. Alright, let's go in there and shut her off. That sucker is loud. No, just for the heck of it, let's set off the smoke detector in the kitchen. Watch your ears, girls. In 3, 2, 1. And look. Chloe, that doesn't bother you, does it? She loves it. Alright, I think we're gonna silence or reset it for the light switch tonight. And here we go in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Alrighty, everybody. If you enjoyed this test, please let me know in the comments. And I will see you all in the next one. And I forgot to mention, someone had asked me, where did you get all the voice evac messages that you get for your test? Well, 90% of the time, I make the audio. That's it. I'm not telling you anything else. Top secret. Now, someone had also messaged me about maybe doing EST Edwards and with Simplex or Relog or... There's one message that I have not done yet that I'd like to do. Not sure if I should reveal it or not, but yeah. Alright. Hope you all have a good day. Stay cool, drink water, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care.